Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Chandra Awesome again. Here is a tip, quick tip, and also an update from the Onshape. Actually, this is about updating the Extrude tool in Onshape CAD Software. Okay, guys. If you click on Extrude tool, you can see the new section is added that is called Thin. Actually, the use of this Thin tool is, guys, it is going to uh, thicken the edges of the sketch, and guys, it is really amazing and it is very useful. I really love this new update what I have given by the Onshape. So let me show you how this works. Here you can see I just created a sketch with the text writing and alphabet A, and I am going to select the thin section and then going to select the sketch. When I select the sketch, it is over constrained. Like this, here you can give the dimension to 0.02, and you can see the thickness of the sketch will be added. You can see the only edges will be thickened, and it is like form like a bold letters what we just create by using the in like texting. Like this, you can perform the operations using. You can also perform not only for always. You can also do for several sketches, like just using the lines only. So it is very useful, guys. Here you can also perform the inside and outside edges also by giving dimensions. You can see this is inner, this is outside, and we can also perform the same operations what we have done to the extrude tool, like a drafting, the symmetric, the starting fillet, offset, second and position, like the same. The remaining all are same, guys. It works with the same. I really love this update while working with this one. Here I will also select the different sketches also, guys. So here I am going to select this Christmas tree part sketch. When I select this one, you can see this is also gone under the same operation by Extrude Thin Tool, and it is leaving the inside as gap and only perform to the edges operations. This is how does it works with the new update given by the Onshape CAD software. That's all I wish to this topic, guys. If you really like this update, please leave a comment how you're feeling about this, and do like, share, and subscribe our channel Awesome again, guys. That's all I wish today. Thank you. Have a nice day.